Hey guys, it's Miss Smith. It is Monday, it is the 14th, and we are going to party because it's the start of the week, right? You don't just party on the weekend, you party all week long. Yes. So if you didn't know, it's National Gobstopper Day. So go ahead and go to the store and get you some Jawbreakers, the little Gobstoppers, and enjoy your time. You're welcome. So, as you know, in class, we have been talking a lot about medieval times. We've been talking about knights, peasants, nobles, tradesmen, and if you can get it before I do, you get some $100. The clergy. So we've been talking about all those different groups and social classes. Today we're going to focus a lot on nobles and knights. So remember that knights always protected like others. They fought for justice, they fought for helping others. So for your do first today, you're not going to have to write it down, but I want you to think about it. What are some ways that you can fight for justice or help others? What are some ways you can fight for justice or help others? Think about it. For me, I know that there's a lot of protests going on right now. I know that that's a way that people are like fighting for justice for Black lives. So that's in my head a way that people are helping others or fighting for justice. I want you to think of some things. You can pause this video, think of it, comment on this video and let me know so I know what you're thinking. So some vocabulary. I want to go over some vocabulary for y'all so y'all are ready for this text. So in this text, you're going to read about dowry, or in parentheses, it's the Spanish version, which is dote. So dowry is property or money brought by a bride to her husband on their marriage. So as you can see in this picture, here's some money, and this is basically what the bride is giving her husband. Jousting, you usually think of that when you think of jousting, like just poking someone with a stick. Yeah. So if you look at this picture, they're poking each other. I mean, they don't have sticks. They have like lances, that's what they're called. So it's a sport contest in which two opponents on horseback fight with lances. So it's jousting or justas. Chivalry. So I know y'all probably heard chivalry is dead. It's not. It's what the knights use. Knights do chivalry, which is also known as caballeria. It is the medieval knightly system's religious, moral, and social code. So as you can see in this picture, you have them both bowing to each other. That's their social code. That is their morals. So we are going to preview the text just a little bit. When we preview the text, we look at the title, we look at the pictures, and we kind of try and think about what the text is going to be about or what the text is. So we know that this text is titled Nobles. So we have a picture of a king, we have a picture of a queen. We know nobles are queens and kings, so obviously we're going to be talking about kings and queens, right? What I want you to do is think about what type of text is this? Based on how you see it, what type of text is this? Also, we have the knights. That's our second reading we're going to do. And you can see this picture of the knights with armor and their swords. So you're also going to be reading about knights. You've seen the picture. I want you to think about what type of text is this? What I want you to do, because I'm not going to tell you, I want you to comment the type of text, and if your comment is right, then you're going to get some $100. So tell me what type of text it is. Is it informative? Is it persuasive? Or is it just entertaining me for fun? Cool. So now I want you to read for gist. Yes, you are going to read because this is reading class. It's ELA, what? Yes. So I want you to read about the nobles and the knights. What? Read about the nobles and the knights. And you're going to write your gist whenever you see a yellow box. So if you see a yellow box, be like, oh, it's gist time. Let me write my gist. Yellow box, write your gist. You see a yellow box, you do what? You write your gist. But your gist should be 10 words or less. Look, you have 15 seconds of fame, 15 seconds to give me the best speech ever, or I'm just gonna like not listen to you anymore. So same with your gist. You have 10 words. Do less than 10 words. 10 words or less for your gist. Keep it short and sweet. It's just for us to remember. It's almost like writing a hashtag. You don't keep going with a hashtag because it's no longer a hashtag, it's a sentence. So make sure that it's 10 words or less. You have 15 minutes to do this. I want you to start timing yourself because you'll be timed in class. So yeah, 15 minutes to do this. Grab your phone, grab your watch, set a timer for 15 minutes, and go.